Hi, today I will show you how you upgrade your terms of services. Okay, navigate to settings and to legal. Click on legal, and right over here you can generate your refund policy in one click. Click on generate from template and you can edit it if you want and save it. So that's great. So yeah, and we can also generate our privacy policy. We're gonna do that soon. Okay, now we're gonna generate our privacy policy with one click. Okay, that's great. And we got our terms of service that we're gonna generate. And I'm gonna choose generate from template. Okay, that's great. You can always edit it if you want. And I'm gonna click on save. And then I'm done. So we have created in a few clicks our terms of services, our privacy policy, and our refund policy. So I hope I will see you on my next lecture, and I will see you soon.